Hi there, this is Anastasia Hall, better known as Coach Ace, and I want to welcome you to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I want to share with you exactly a resource that I've been using all this time that's helped me as well as many of my students on how to get over technophobia. Now, what is technophobia? Well, basically in a nutshell, it's in the irrational fear, okay, of learning new technology, pretty much. And I've had this multiple times with myself as well as many students that I've worked with who are, older generation adults who never really used a computer in their life. And now that they're learning online marketing, they really don't know how to use certain technology and emerging technologies that are coming out with the change of the internet. So what is GCFLearnFree.org? It is a worldwide leader in free online education. And, they're located in Raleigh, North Carolina. They've been making free videos and tutorials for adults for more than a decade, and they serve more than over 100 million users in every part of the country in the world. Now, with more than over 190 topics, they cover everything from Microsoft Excel basics all the way to social media and graphic design, as well as basic job interviewing skills. And now they just added emerging industries, which is pretty cool because we all know with the change of, business and money, cryptocurrency and digital technology, they're trying to cover everything so that everybody is pretty much current and up to date. So let's go to the screen right now, and I want to show you their actual YouTube channel. This is their YouTube channel right here, and this is the actual playlist. So you could go at your own leisure and time to actually dive into all of their actual topics. They have a very user-friendly interface for, newbies, especially those who are afraid with technology. Guys, don't have to worry about being afraid, and don't let that be an excuse. You can go to this website. It's very, very straightforward. So they go over things like basics for career, work skills, searching for a job, making decisions, communications, right? Creativity, adapting to the changes of the marketplace, changes to the industries, right? You want to learn that. And emerging industries. Now, when you click on emerging industries, they just added Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, which got me excited about that because we all know that that is the new currency that's actually coming on board with the change of the digital economy. So this is really cool. Now, if you go to GCFLearnFree.org, this is the main website, and here are all the topics they actually go over, including basic office skills like Microsoft Word, Access, Excel, as well as learning social media basics like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Skype. And he even got Snapchat. That's pretty cool too. All right. So I hope you like this video and it actually, helps you out understand that there's really nothing to be afraid of when it comes to, learning technology. You just got to dive right in and find the right resources that are going to help explain this to you in a way that you could understand it, kindergarten style. I recommend GCFL Learn Free. It's an absolutely amazing website. And, get your kids on it too. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Hall, better known as Coach Ace. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, and don't forget, smash that likes button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel for more breaking training here involved with learning internet marketing education and digital marketing, as well as network marketing tips and things that we actually do together, me and my partner Rich Guzman. And comment below the value that you got from this video. I'd love to hear from you. And what are the things that you usually are afraid of? Like, what's your typical technophobia, right? Type that in the bottom in the comments below. I'd like to know about that. So pretty much that's it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.